Here we have a beautifully designed and treated music production studio, featuring Artnovion panels for flawless sound balance and minimal reflections. The designs show wall-mounted absorbers, ceiling absorbers and quadratic diffusers, and low-frequency bass traps in every corner, providing balanced sound across the entire room. With these installations, we aim to deliver exceptional acoustic results, perfect for music production or critical listening. Our 3D acoustic design plans, featuring detailed blueprints of Artnovion's advanced fixing systems. The designs include wall and ceiling elevation views, showcasing how the acoustic panels will be securely mounted and optimized for maximum efficiency. The angle view gives a comprehensive perspective of the layout, highlighting the strategic placement of absorbers, diffusers, and bass traps. This meticulous design ensures precise sound control, tailored to the room's acoustics and aesthetics. Our acoustic treatment aims to optimize the reverberation time, delivering a finely tuned listening experience. Our detailed room mode analysis highlights key areas for bass optimization, providing smoother low-end performance. Our 3D design service carefully maps out the perfect speaker and listening positions, ensuring impeccable sound clarity and imaging. Fine-tuning acoustics on site. Here we're optimizing speaker and listening positions while aligning subwoofer phase and timing for the ultimate sound experience. We are meticulously installing French cleats to securely mount our corner bass traps, ensuring optimal bass management and effective bass control for the room. Setting the foundation, aligning the space with precision using laser tools, and preparing Artnovion FixArt clips for a flawless acoustic treatment installation. In this phase of our installation, we're precisely mounting Artnovion FixArt tubes on each wall and the ceiling to anchor our acoustic treatments. We are now carefully attaching the Artnovion Myron quadratic diffuser to the ceiling using Artnovion's specialized GlueArt Adhesive. We're now mounting the Artnovion Andes absorbers onto the walls, ensuring precise placement for maximum acoustic performance. We're now mounting the Helen Absorbers on the ceiling, ensuring they align perfectly for optimal acoustic control. Here we are conducting the final analysis to ensure our Artnovion Bass Trap Corners are tuned to the optimal frequency range. With the tuning complete, we are placing the bass trap covers back for a seamless and professional finish.